What's going on YouTube? My name is Jen and welcome to my channel where I make videos to entertain you. And today is day 3 of EXO Week. What's up everyone? How are we doing today? Are you having a good week? Yes? No? Let me know in the comments. I hope you're enjoying this EXO Week. If you're new here, you should know that I love to have fun with K-pop and I react to a bunch of different K-pop groups in a bunch of different ways. For example, this week, by popular demand, I'm reacting to EXO for an entire week. Today is day number 3 and I'm going to be doing a video that has been so requested multiple times by multiple people, and I guess I can put it off any longer. You guys really wanted me to react to EXO's White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love from their concert. So here I am. I'm gonna do it. I have a feeling you guys really want me to suffer watching this video, but that's okay. I can take it and I'm ready for it, alright? I got this. But anyway guys, thank you so much for suggesting this video. I'm having so much fun reacting to EXO and really getting to know them. I see your comments, I'm getting to all of them, I'm reading all of them guys, and I'm learning so much. So thank you so much for the love, for the support, and for teaching me about EXO. As for tomorrow, day number 4, I want to react to more music videos. I gotta know more of their music. So please let me know your top 3 EXO music videos that you would like me to react to. Besides Love Shot, what else have I react to? Monster, Tempo, and Obsession, I think. So Love Shot, Obsession, Monster, and Tempo I've already reacted to. I believe that's all of them. But yeah, so besides those 4, I need you to tell me what other 3 you want me to react to. I have had so many suggestions, so you guys keep letting me know on this video, on the comments, which ones I should react to tomorrow, and I will do those, okay? But for today, we're gonna go ahead and do this. We'll see what happens, guys. I'm just super excited. Let's go. Okay, so we have EXO, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So first thing, if you haven't seen my video from yesterday, I reacted to the acoustic session. I guess I don't know if it's the same concert. I'm guessing it is, because you guys told me that they have different sections. Yesterday I noticed for the acoustic version they were all wearing white and some black. We have all black here, which is a really good indicator of something's about to happen. Let's see. Oh man. First of all, those pants are tight and those shirts are so loose. I don't know if I'm ready now. Yes. Don't you start with me. Do not. Don't. Okay. Ah, that wink. Did you see that? Also, by the way, I had mentioned that I love Xiumin's eyes so much. Look at this wink though. Ready? That harmony. Come on, Chen. Yes. And I'm still working on the names, guys. All right. I want to say he is Suho, right? I think so.
Don't you worry, baby.
I'm so sorry, I keep pausing. I just gotta say something that you guys need to know. And if you don't believe me, you need to go and watch my other reactions where other groups dance in water, right? I have a thing for water dance, okay? It's just too much sometimes for me. So I'm really scared about what's about to go down right now, but I'm super excited and I'm gonna stop pausing. Let's go.
혼자서 물어보는 너의 연봉 한정마다 떠난 후 날 스쳐간 소음들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모를 희미한 숨호흡까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐 왔을지도 몰라 순간 멈춘 모든 게 꿈 같아 여전히 새하얀 안개 속에서 나는 길을 잃은 somebody.
Oh, I love that rap. Yes! I just gotta point out again, Chen's veins when he sings. Yes, yes. Come on. Look at him. They're such good dancers, bro. Listen, okay? This boy, I cannot. His smile just... Look at, he knows what he's doing. Dude, yo. That's so freaking cute. I just wanna, I love these two so much. I just love all of them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gosh, your voice. What was that? This boy. First of all, I'm getting wrecked by Chen's voice and his everything, right? And then right next to Dio is like, yeah, look at me too. And then all of a sudden Kai's like, oh hey, what are you doing? Why are you looking that way? Hello, you're mine. By doing that.
찾는다 뽀뽀뽀뽀뽀 뒤늦게야 소리내 널 부른다 나는 이제야 알아 이제야 너를 알아
They can all just body roll. There's just so much I want to say right now. I'm trying not to pause, guys. I'm so sorry.
너무 멀리 가버렸나 봐 시간이 갈수록 너와 나 멀어져 이미 넌 저 멀리 있어 또 누군가의 빛이 되어 있겠지 불빛처럼 아주 빨랐다
Yes.
너무나 달랐다 우리 사이 시간의 차이가 함께할 수 없는 공간이 됐다
Stop. Oh my gosh.
나는 이제야 후회한다 뽀뽀뽀뽀뽀 뒤늦게 소리내 널 부른다 나는 이제야 알아
I don't even know what to do.
너를 잡고 싶어
Bro, my cheeks hurt. I'm getting goosebumps. It's getting hot.
너를 따라간다 따라간다 쫓아간다 쫓아간다 찾아간다 찾아간다 점점 더 멀어져 시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다 아직 돌아갈 수
Oh my
있다고
God.
믿어 지금 하나 둘 줄을 세며 우리 거를 잰다
Oh my gosh. And the way they all glow, they're sweating, but they're just glowing, alright? Did you even care about my heart? Alright? I'm over here trying not to have a heart attack, and y'all just don't care. Just whatever, right? Yeah, whatever.
Playboy.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do anymore. Haha. I feel like if I was there and they interacted with me and like say hi, it's just like drop, like somebody catch me, trustful, like please somebody. It's not okay, but thanks. I guess it's fine. Yes. I love your voice too. Woo! Harmony. And can we talk about the fact that Kai's shirt has no purpose at all? Like, no purpose. No purpose. No purpose.
나 멈출 수 없다고 너도 마찬가지잖아 그냥 날 놓치기 싫잖아
How do you guys survive this? Seriously. Just get chills again. just don't know. Why do you guys want me to do this? Oh, it's still going. Oh, and then now they have props. Okay. Okay. It's fine. I'm fine. We're fine. Yeah, we're fine. That's fine. Could you please? Okay. 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 It's just dumb. Dude, can you? I know.
You got that.
How are they so freaking good at everything they do? Seriously, like, there's the confidence, bro. The confidence, the sexiness. The winking. But did you see his hand? Did you see it? Not the first time. Not when he did this. The second time. Okay? Just watch. Okay. Excuse me. My heart. What is happening? What is happening? Hold on, I just gotta go back real quick. Just for a second. Just please excuse me. Okay. Alright. We're fine. It's fine. We're fine. The way he just popped his chest right here, bro. This boy. Ready?
Can't trust this. You got that coaching me so artificial. Coaching
Seriously, my face physically like just hurts from smiling. Like I'm just looking at this screen like smiling like an idiot, like sorry guys. You know, this is your fault. I blame you. Okay? If this is too much, alright, it's your fault. Okay? Because I've not had a reaction like this where I can barely contain myself. It's your fault. I blame you. This is not okay. We're not okay. You better not. You better keep that shirt on, bro. Do not.
Can you trust this?
Leave your shirt alone. Woo! Oh, here we go. Freaking dude. I don't need no more props like that. Okay, yeah. I just got chills again. Oh my gosh. God dang it! Oh, you're so good! He even knows what he's doing when, like right here, look, that smirk. He doesn't even have to look at you, and you know the way he's looking at you. He has his eyes covered, but by the way he just smirked at you, you know how he's looking at you. You can see his eyes without seeing his eyes, okay? Look at this. Right there. I know it is. Both of you. Stop. Ugh. And then I'm just here left like, deal with it. Okay. Okay. Well, let's just take a moment to compose ourselves real quick. And the chills are still here. Y'all, I'm not even messing around, bro. They're right here. And they're coming up my neck right now as I'm speaking. Just give me a moment, okay? Guys, I'm not making this up. Look, don't look at my hairy legs or arms. I can't even talk. The chills are there, okay? Not making it up. I show it, okay? It's there. Not even lying. It's right there. Okay, give me another moment. Okay, I think I'm better, or as good as I can be, because the chills still have not gone away. I've waited about 5 minutes. We're still here, and I just can't stop thinking about what just happened. I can barely talk. Still choking. But anyway, okay, now I see why you guys really wanted me to react to that. I want to say 2 things. Thank you so much, and shame on you. That's it. Oh my gosh, that was insane, guys. I seriously, if you followed me for a while, right, you can agree with me, and you can be my witness that I have never had such a hard time containing emotions and expressions before. Okay, that was like so good, so sexy, so everything. Like I can't even like put it in words, and at this point I'm just rambling, and I'm just like, is that even a word, rambling? I think it is. I just completely just don't even know what to say. I'm just thinking about them right now, and I need to just finish this video so I can go and rewatch it multiple times. So yeah, I hope that video was everything you were hoping for. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to recommend 3 music videos for tomorrow, and yeah, I'll just see you tomorrow, guys. I'm so sorry if this is, I don't know. I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!